So like I said, I want to give you some tips from a small business lender of things that I consistently see on a daily basis. And we do have some other bankers in the room too. I guarantee you see the same thing as well. So first and foremost, have a clear plan and resist the urge to grow too fast. This was written before. But you have to understand that banks are in the risk business, not the money business, okay? So it's really important that we want to see slow, steady growth. All business owners in the room want fast money now, right? Okay, well, unfortunately, banks don't like that. There's a thing called hard money lending. Guido, you've probably heard of him. He will allow you to do that faster, okay? But definitely having a clear growth plan, whether that's a marketing plan, whether that's a business plan of any sort, you need to have it. It's absolutely important. Don't buy too much equipment too fast, okay? I have a customer right now who, very successful company, but had the mentality for the last 2 years of, I'll just buy another vehicle, it's just another payment. So we have there's a line of credit with us. Well, he didn't tell us that he went out and bought 8 new vehicles over the year. Don't worry, it's just a payment, right? Well, when it comes to renew his line of credit, what do you think we have to do? He didn't qualify anymore. It's one of the hardest things you have to do. And yes, where you have to have a relationship with a banker to actually have that conversation with your growth. And that's a lot of things that I do with a lot of my customers is sit down with them, let's look at your financials, and let's plan. If you don't plan, you fail. Am I right? Have a backup plan if business slows down. Everyone went through 2008, 2009. That sucked, okay? For any business, regardless of what you were in, banking was surely no different. It's hard to save money. It really, really is. But you know what? 2008 and 2009 can happen tomorrow. What would stop it from happening tomorrow? So are you ready for it? Do you have something stashed away? Do you have that emergency blanket? It's an important thing. Be diligent in paying your bills. That's kind of a duh. But one thing I want to talk about is, like, for example, setting up automatic payments. That's a good thing. That really is a good thing. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about late fees. Set it up automatically. Taxes, L&I, all those things that you have to pay, try to set it up automatically. I know, easier said than done. There's a thing called cash flow, right? Okay? But if you have the ability to do that, definitely do that. Any sort of business debt, of course, have that set up as well. And work with your CPA to build cash reserves. Any business should actually have 30 to 60 days worth of backup funds. Again, I know, easier said than done, but that is the industry standard. So